Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to change the volume of your navigation of your voice guidance. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open here the navigation button at the left side of the screen, and now you've got access to the whole application of the navigation. So here you can choose the navigation button at the top of the screen, and if you tap the navigation, you can get access to the navigation settings. Let's select here the third option, which is the voice guidance, right here, the voice guidance. If you tap the voice guidance, you can choose here the volume. So you can increase
voice output.
You can increase or decrease the voice guidance volume. The slider basically controls the loudness of the car's voice. It is independent of your music volume. This is helpful if you want to listen to quiet music but need the navigation prompts to be loud and clear so you don't miss a turn. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.